How about floor plans? What were your thoughts about the floor plans delivered?
So I've done 8 or 9 floor plans on the same house. And I'm kind of like in floor plan overload. The floor plans were very on par with all the other ones that I've done, including with the Pro 3. The one thing is that in this particular house, in the primary closet, there's a bump out, probably to hide some sort of ducting, and that cuts into some of the usable closet space. And you wouldn't know that unless you actually scanned inside the closet. And so it's not represented on the floor plan that they provided because they didn't do in the closets. And that I think would be a huge deal. If you care about closet size and you have a lot of clothes, to miss
Well,
that 2 or 3 feet of broad space is, kind of a big deal.
And they could have put it in. No, the closet doors were closed. So unless the photographer captured inside the closet, they wouldn't have known that there was an impediment inside the closet that would be material to somebody making a buying decision. On the floor plan, since they were missing one of the bathrooms, did they get the bathtub correct? Was it oriented correctly on the floor plan that you recall?
They did. They did get it correct, from what I remember. I'm pulling it up now, but I think they did.
I wonder if they went and looked at some previous pictures of the house by, looked it up on MLS or something, because I was surprised to see that they had configured a bathtub that couldn't be seen in the photos or in the Matterport tour.
No, I'm looking at it right now. They did get it correct.
Okay. So when I looked at the floor plans, I think 2 of my takeaways were looks like Matterport floor plans, black and white, except no Matterport logo. I would say that was a plus. There was no VHT Studios logo in the PDF, but it was, if you treated it like a photo, did it have the VHT Studios watermark logo on it?
No, because our watermark is white and the background was white, so it didn't show up.
It didn't show up. Okay.
Yeah. And I thought it was in Matterport's terms of service to not edit their logo out.
Yeah, it was interesting. I guess if you're Matterport and your division VHT Studios wants to keep it out, that's okay. And measurements. Can you speak about measurements within the floor plan, not within the floor plan?
Yeah, they were unremarkable. The room measurements were unremarkable compared to the other ones. I didn't see anything too off. They were, very, very similar. It's always going to be a little off, just depending on even the guy at the same company who's drawing it. So yeah, I can't complain about that.
And the bundle, the Matterport Digital Pro bundle, included a video.
Do you want to call it that?
I've teed it up for you, Tom.
Put me in, coach. The Matterport bundle included a 12-second preview video, which showed the kitchen and then the family room connected to the kitchen. And that's it.
So it was a teaser video for Matterport service providers. They'll be familiar with, in My Matterport, be able to download the video. That was what the video was. But always bothers me about those videos is the walls are slanted when you're looking at the video. It's like from photographer. Anyway.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, they could have spent a little time. I have people that work for me that'll do that in an hour and get a nice, good 2-minute long video, minute long, however long you want it to be, with some music behind it. I think there's a huge opportunity for them there to spend a little extra effort, but to give literally just what comes out of the camera kind of sucked.
Okay, so we've now heard your thoughts on the deliverables, Matterport tour.
Can I go back to the floor plan for a second?
Pardon?
Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to cut you off. Can I go back to the 3D tour for a second?
Sure.
They didn't ask how I wanted the banner information to be, which I thought they could have asked, because when you click it, it says something like homeowner account and then the address. It doesn't have Thomas Sparks Presents or VHT Presents. It's kind of a generic thing, which I think, they could have asked about that.
Okay.